Hey guys, Theo here and I hope you're having a spicy day and thanks for joining me. You know I love spicy foods and spicy hot sauces, so my friends got me for my birthday something called Fuego Box, which is a monthly subscription to spicy hot sauces. Alright, so I'm gonna do a taste test of the hot sauces that they included in my first month's subscription. This bag is really hard to open. Right, it is this cool red box called Fuego Box. All right, let's see what hot sauces they included. Ooh, all right, these look scary. All right, the first one is called Painapple Reaper in Pineapple Hot Sauce by Pex Peppers. Ooh, these are scary. And there's another one called Southern Stinger by Hoff Sauce. Looks like this. Oh, and they include a hot sauce log. Oh, cool. And they also include a few these are actually my favorite hot sauce. It's called Palo Alto Firefighter Pepper Sauce. I have a bottle of these in the fridge and they gave us little samples. How cool. What's this? This is a Fuego bookmark. All right. Cool. So like I said, these are a monthly subscription. I think that my friends got me the extra spicy because I like really spicy. Hopefully these aren't too spicy for me, but let's taste them. If you guys want to try the Fuego Box for yourself, I'll link down below. But all right, let's try these. All right guys, I'm gonna rank these from 1 to 5 on 3 criteria. 1 is gonna be the spicy level to see how spicy it actually is. 2 is going to be the actual flavor profile, and then 3, if there's anything like exotic or interesting about them, or if they're just like a regular ordinary hot sauce. All right, so let's go with the Painapple Reaper and Pineapple Hot Sauce by Pex Pepper. These are really hard to open. All right, so on the back of this label, it says that this is a slightly sweet and mega spicy hot sauce. Taste the flavor of pineapple. Goes great on pizza, pork, or just use it on everything. Be careful. This is very hot. Pex Peppers is not liable for misuse of this hot sauce, even if it tastes great. Please refrigerate after opening. All right. Well, that was a terrifying warning. God, I cannot open this. All right, there you go. All right. Ooh. Oh my god. All right, so it smells quite spicy. Let's see. All right, so it pours out pretty well. Smells spicy. Let's try it. All right, here we go. The Painapple Reaper in Pineapple Hot Sauce. Okay, so the spicy level is definitely a 5. You feel the spiciness like right away. You do taste the pineapple just a little bit. So I would rank the spiciness probably a 5. It's really spicy. It actually gets spicier as you eat it. The actual flavor profile I would give it like a 2. And then I think the interestingness about it, I don't think it's that interesting, but it is quite spicy. I like it. I think this would be really good on, like they said, pizza or even tacos. Whew, it's actually really spicy. Definitely try this. For the spicy level, the flavor is just okay. Alright guys, so we're gonna try the next one. This is the Southern Stinger by Hoff Sauce. Alright, let's see what it says in the back. Hoff Southern Stinger is the perfect balance of heat from the Trinidad Scorpion chili with a touch of sweetness from oranges and carrots. This sauce packs a punch, but the complex flavor profile makes it delicious on just about anything you put it on. Enjoy! Alright, so there's like a level of how spicy it is, and it is teary-eyed. So let's try this out. Okay, it doesn't smell as spicy as the last one, but this might be misleading. Alright, let's taste it. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Alright, so it's not as spicy as the last one. I would say this spicy level is like a 3, but the actual chili flavor is awesome. I think this would be great on even like a burger, tacos, pizza, pretty much anything. Ooh, alright, I can feel a little bit more of the spiciness coming on my lips, but not as bad as the last one. And I think the flavor profile and like the uniqueness of this sauce is really good. The orange flavor really pushes through. I can't really taste any carrot, but I think the orange flavor, actually no, I think it tastes a good amount of orange and carrot. So I would say the spicy level is 3, the taste is a 4, and the uniqueness is a 4. So I actually recommend this one, the Southern Stinger, more than the Painapple, but the Painapple was super spicy if you're one of those people that likes the pain. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked my video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and comment to my video. And like I said, if you want to try Fuego Box for yourself, I'll link to them down below. And as always, keep it spicy.